back and today we're doing the Eat It or Wear It challenge. So let's get started. Number 1, jam. Eat it or wear it. Eat it. Ooh. Jam.
You have your spoonful.
Have my spoonful. That's not a spoonful.
Yeah, eat it. No, don't put the spoon back in.
Oh.
Where's your drink? I'll carry on doing it, because it's filming. I'll get you your drink.
Well, next one is
What's next?
Piccalilli.
Oh!
I hope I get to wear this.
Wear it.
I don't like Piccalilli. Wear. Now my dad's here to put it on my hair. It stinks. Have a towel.
So you need to wipe your hands. I need to wipe your hands.
Okay, next one. Oh, Piccalilli. I had to do a Piccalilli. Hey. Please don't wear it this time. Cake. Ooh, cake. I forgot to eat this one. Up my nose. I forgot to eat this one because I don't want cake on my head. Oh yeah, I get to eat it.
Eat it. I don't have it all. Just have.
Of course.
I'll cut you some up.
Okay. While we're waiting, I'll do my next one.
Okay. There you go. Okay.
Brown sauce. I'll put it because I get to eat it. Please don't be wearing it.
Please let you wear it. Right then, what is it?